So guys, how we can updating for social media icons on the Bing Webmaster. That is called connecting pages. To easily for understanding for this website will be connecting pages will be there. How we can adding for social media icons on the particular Bing Webmaster. In this purpose, we have to go to the Bing Webmaster option. The option name is called configure my site. Click here. The show option will be connected pages. The show will be connected pages. Here, what are the pages you have? Only URL will be selected. Select here. What are the links will be here? Instagram. We can add it here. Just you can use your what are links will be here. Facebook, LinkedIn, everything. Pinterest option will be here. Add it by more options here. So add by LinkedIn option. Now click for verify. Only for you add the username option. Click for verify option. So what are the links will be there? I'm at the total 4 links. Here the 4 link option. This will be showing for pending option. When will we click here, the page will be automatically will be open in this option. No worry about that the particular in this. So here, go to your option will be here. Anything will be wrong, the channel will be does not open the particular new tab option. Everything can check by this URL option. No worry about that. After adding link, you can check page will be open or not. So this will be option here in this. These all option will be open in the particular things. So what are the we can have to verify it, copy and verify this option. Just you have to click for the option will be here. Just it takes some time to verify the pages. After verify these pages, the showing will be here in the page option. Is it clear? So this is called we have to check the connect your pages in the particular Bing Webmaster tool option.